sleigh bells ring.
That's the noise that brings magic smiles to children.
And Santa is so glad you were listening to his pleas that someone give back his special sleigh bells.
Oh my!
It is a Christmas miracle, right, Santa?
It is. This is truly a Christmas
Thank you,
miracle.
Connors.
Corporal, thank you.
Santa is usually the one giving gifts and surprises, but outside of the Connellsville Municipal Building, Santa got a surprise of his own. Police and the mayor returned the bells they believe were stolen from Santa at a free community event last Saturday. Santa was part of the gathering at Yock River Park. He told police they went missing.
Child after child after child. I don't know what happened to the bells.
Then the mayor posted what happened on social media to get them back. Hours later, someone found the bells hanging on a sign near the Yock River Trail.
There is no question that they are magic.
The bells are sentimental to St. Nick.
The bells came from Korea, but the elves put it together. It was a Christmas present from the elves to me one year.
Santa doesn't want to put anyone on a naughty list.
I don't want them to be punished. Anybody to do this. I'm glad they, oh, geez, this is really nice.
He's just glad he can restore the magic of Christmas. One ring at a time.
So Santa, tell me what's in your heart right now that you have those bells in your hand?
There's still goodness in the world, and people still come forward and show the goodness that they have, and it just warms my heart to know that somebody brought them in.
Santa was hoping to get these bells back before Christmas, and as you can see, that wish came true.